Meigline Non-invasive blood glucose smartwatch is marketed as a smartwatch that claims to monitor blood glucose without finger pricks while also tracking heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and other health metrics. The idea sounds incredibly convenient, but the real question is, can you trust the claims? Now, to be fair, fitness smartwatches are a legitimate product category and can be useful for tracking activity, heart rate, and general wellness. However, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring is a much more challenging technology. What it does well, tracks everyday fitness metrics. Most smartwatches can monitor steps, heart rate, sleep, and daily activity. Convenient wearable design. You can wear it throughout the day without needing separate fitness devices. Where the hype falls apart, non-invasive blood glucose claims should be treated with caution. As of today, there is no widely accepted consumer smartwatch that has been independently validated to accurately measure blood glucose without drawing blood. It's not a medical device unless specifically approved. If you're managing diabetes, you should not rely on smartwatch glucose readings in place of approved glucose monitors or medical advice. Health measurements may vary in accuracy. Even heart rate, blood oxygen, and other wellness metrics can differ depending on how the watch is worn and the quality of its sensors. So, should you buy the Meigline Non-invasive blood glucose smartwatch? Short answer, maybe, if you want a budget fitness tracker. If you're looking for a smartwatch to track general wellness and activity, it may be worth considering. But if you're buying it because of the non-invasive blood glucose claims, you should be very skeptical. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.